Hello, this is EJ again. This is a video instruction on how to get data set from Excel BQL Builder from Bloomberg. There is Bloomberg Ribbon menu in Excel, which is connected to Bloomberg. So when you click the button, you can see this customization tab. The Bloomberg Excel BQL Builder enables users to plot and analyze data set to Excel spreadsheet. The biggest difference with the dashboard and spreadsheet builder is that user can apply code calculations or directed actions to the data sets within the extraction process. There exists optional function to automate the data calculations and customizing visualization of the data sets. So it's really convenient if you want to visualize your data set and analyze it by some calculations. We have to select securities or companies or indexes using search tab or tickers. For example, I will search some companies. You can see the name of the company and ticker here. So when you click that, we see the list of the companies, but they just make the icons of each companies. For example, I'll choose Apple, or you can select another thing. For example, I want to see some index, not an equity or specific company. You can just search the stock market or index, and you can also pick index or some ETF. And if you click each item set, this is the company's list. So you cannot change the numerical order of the items, but you can easily put the items and just searching companies in here like this. And we have to also search and select data fields. For example, I'd like to download the greenhouse emissions, this one. And I also like to get the greenhouse scope 2. And I'd like to compare the ratio. So I also like to sales revenue. So you can just search everything, the data in here, and click that. And you can see the edit default button in here. When you click that, you can customize all of the things. You can just click these items, but you can customize it, like, for example, the 12 months or the fiscal year or the 4 quarters like this. You can customize the period type, offset, and the accounting standard, and even currency. I will pick USD. So you can see there is an option on this because I changed currency to the USD. And if you do not touch this, it will give you the default data sets. For example, the last 12 months and just annual thing, consolidated, mixed standards. It means just reported numbers by the company's accounting standard. And if you see, click preview button. I changed an option, and if you want to edit all the data set at the same time, when you can click edit all parameters, you can see you can choose each data set and do the same thing at one window. For example, I will choose this set and this one. You can see all the options changed at once by just doing one thing, and it is adjusted to all the data set in here. And you can preview the file, but it shows only first 5 rows. So it is slightly different from what you get in the Excel spreadsheet. It just shows the first 5 rows. And same to the dashboard or the spreadsheet builder, you can transpose and change the axis, and you can do some options, select some options in here. And the most interesting thing is you can do some function or calculations. For example, you can make the sum of emissions or the average emissions or standard deviation like this. So you can apply some simple calculation in here by the data you get, and you don't have to put function on the Excel sheet. They do the calculations instead of you, so it is really convenient thing. And also if you do not want to select the individual companies and you want to find all the companies, for example, from the NASDAQ, you can do this thing called members, where you can see some peers holdings. So you can change these options and get more specific data set relative to the spreadsheet builder.